Hey guys, thanks for checking our channel. In this video, I am going to share with you how to install a car battery on a typical Toyota car. Don't worry, we break it into each step, and you can pause the video as you progress. Let's start with tool kits. In the box shipping to you, it comes with a wrench sized for your car. All you have to do is straight with the installation. If you unsure, just drop us a call. Step 1. Loosen the terminal nut. Optionally, apply a little lubricant. This gives you a good start if give you a hard time to pull the terminal out. Do not overspray it. Step 2. Loosening up the battery holder. Usually, the car battery holder nut size will be the same as the terminal nut. Step 3. Remove the negative and positive terminal. Make sure you do not touch any metal part of the car compartment. Step 4. Remove the used battery. Put the new one. To install the cable, we do it reversely. Start with the positive cable and follow with the negative. Step 5. Start your engine. It's always good to let the engine run for 1 to 3 minutes to see if everything runs smoothly. If all well, you may tighten the battery bracket. The rules for tightening nut is turn it just until you feel resistance, then give it a final full turn. That's all for the 5 steps. I hope you guys enjoy it and do remember to subscribe to our channel to get new video notification.